While solving the challenge on the mat, robot takes different turns multiple times. So it becomes very important for the robot to take accurate turns. If the robot is not taking the accurate turn, then you won't be able to solve the challenge properly. So for example, if you have to take a 90-degree turn, but if it is turning little less or little more, then your task will go completely wrong. You won't be able to solve the challenge. So if you're not using the gyro sensor, it means you are using direct turning using rotation, degrees or seconds. So in that case, what happens, the surface area and the type of wheel what you're using, it will affect the turning. So sometimes you will turn a little more, sometimes you will turn a little less. So all those things will affect your turning. So it is always recommended that you use the gyro sensor when you are working on the robotics challenge. So now how to attach the gyro sensor to your robot. So here if you see in my robot, I have attached it horizontally and the gyro sensor symbol is facing upwards. So don't connect it horizontally like this. So it will check the angle at different axis. So better you connect it in this orientation where it will check the angle at X and Y axis. So this is how you can use the gyro sensor, and make sure you try to attach the gyro sensor to your robot to get the accurate turns. Thank you so much.